I'm going to show you how to easily set up or connect your SiriusXM radio subscription to your car. Now, the first thing you want to do is, as you can see on screen now, I have a link to actually visit the transfer or call this number if you actually want to connect or transfer your radio ID, depending on if you already have an account or not. You basically want to call and visit this website if you're setting up a new vehicle. And once you're on this website like so, all you're going to want to do is you want to log in or create an account if you already do not have one for setting up your vehicle. And you're simply going to need to log in or register using your email and creating a username and password, and as well as giving your phone number and zip code below. Once you've actually entered in your personal phone number and email to create an account, you're going to be brought to the second step right here. Now, what this means is you just need to enter in your radio ID. So how you enter in your radio ID is you actually need to go to your car, and how you can find this is here are two methods to find this on your vehicle. First way we can actually do it is you can actually just simply turn to channel 0 on your car. Now, for most cars, channel 0 is actually just displayed as the radio ID. So as you can see, we can just click on this option and it will simply show you your radio ID on your vehicle like so. And you can just put that in the SiriusXM app or any radio stations you want to connect. Now, the second way is we can simply just go into settings of our vehicle's option, and you can actually scroll down and click on the option called sound and media. When you click on this, we want to scroll down and click on SiriusXM radio, where from here you can simply go to help and support, and you can actually see your radio ID depending on your car. Now, I recommend trying them both depending on your car, but turning to channel 0 is the way that I found most effective to make this work. And once you've actually entered in your radio ID, you simply want to click on the continue option, and that will basically sync SiriusXM to your car so that it can actually allow stations and different radios to play on your vehicle. And all you're going to need to do now is you're simply going to need to sign up for the subscription so you can actually listen to music once you're logged into your account and have connected your vehicle, and you should be good to go. That's all you need to do to actually set up this SiriusXM radio subscription on your